Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mary, and for today's video I'm going to be doing this spring eye makeup look because I'm very inspired by spring, you guys. I really wanted to play with color today because lately I've been doing my makeup very natural, like just that nude shade in my eyes. And why am I talking so fast, you guys? I'm like in a freaking rush most of my intros and most of my outros, and I don't know why. Like ando así a la carrera, and I don't want to be like that. I want to like take my time. I think it's the caffeine. I drink coffee before I do my videos, so I think it gives me like a little caffeine rush. And since I take a while doing my makeup, like I feel like it hits me right when I do my intro and my outro. So I need to bring it down. I need to bring it down. I need to drink a little bit less before I do these videos, just to wake up, you know, because I wake up early. But anyways, you guys, yeah, I'm gonna be doing this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this eye look, just please keep on watching. Okay, babe, so I did carve out my brows off camera, and I did apply some concealer, which I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige. I did apply some one size translucent powder just to set that concealer. And now I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Ethereal Bloom palette. It's been a year that this palette came out. I'm going to start off with the color Flourish, this beautiful orange right here. And I'm just going to apply it with just an eyeshadow brush. This is the Morphe M166 brush. And I'm going to apply it on my lid right here. This palette came out a year ago, you guys, and I'm still loving it. Okay, babe, so I'm only gonna do it halfway, and then I'm gonna move on to Petal. I'm gonna grab this shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply that on the middle right here. So now I'm gonna go in with Goddess, this beautiful hot pink right here, and I'm just gonna be taking a Morphe and M456 brush, this one right here, and I'm gonna apply that onto the outer corner and work my way up to the crease, just like right there. First apply it and then blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Morphe M45 brush, and I'm gonna blend that pink out up like this and work my way up. So now I'm gonna take this shimmer right here, Glorious, and I'm gonna apply it onto the middle of the lid with my ring finger. Just like that. Ooh, that's pretty. And I'm obviously gonna take some of that Goddess shade again and just blend, apply some onto the outer corner again, make it more intense. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Beauty Creations lashes, and these are the everyday lashes, the casually lash collection that they came out with recently. And I'm gonna be using Your Sus, and I really like these lashes for this look, you guys, because they're so natural looking. Finish off this eye look, and for my waterline I did use the ColourPop cream gel liner in Good Rave, and this is just like a coral shade. And I'm gonna go in with Flourish, this one right here, and I'm just gonna apply it with a Morphe M508 brush, which is just like a small little eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna apply some onto the bottom. I want to make sure I blend it out really good before I apply the next shade. My next shade, I'm going to be using Goddess, this hot pink right here that we used on the outer corner of the eye, and just using this little blending brush as well this little eyeshadow brush. This is what it looks like so far, and this obviously looks so much better than this one. I feel like this one just makes it pop out more, and this one's just like, hey, I'm one more color. And so for the inner corner of the eye, you guys, I'm gonna be applying Poppy, this beautiful pink right here, and I'm gonna apply some, I am gonna wet the brush, you guys, because I want it to be very intense, like right there, like I want it to pop, pop, pop. So I'm just gonna, I wet the brush and put some here. Okay babes, so that is it for this spring eye makeup look. I hope you really did enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to please like this video if you did, subscribe to my channel if you're not a girl, help me reach 1,000 subscribers, and comment down below something sweet if you feel like it, and I'll see you guys and girls in my next video. Bye!